we made it to the port. Going up the escalator to get the bags checked, things like that, and on our way onto the boat. This is Aliyah's second cruise. This is my first cruise, so you already know it's up there, baby. Let's go, yes sir. There we go, walking on. Woo woo. Wait for me. All right, y'all. So we made our way up to the Lido deck. This is where everything really happens, all the pools, hot tubs, things like that. But as we walk further back, there is the food. This was upstairs, the old-fashioned barbecue. And yes, it was pretty nice, pretty nice. Barbecue chicken. And thanks to Aliyah for my customized cup. Next, we tried out a little dessert. One was sugar-free. The cake was all right. The cookies was pretty good. Aliyah tried out the guys' burgers.
How's you?
Well, right now, we just eating right now, you know.
What's the best thing you had?
Cookie. I had a cookie. It tastes like Chips Ahoy, but you know, I don't know if it's Chips Ahoy. And the barbecue was alright. Burger was alright. Beans was okay. You know, yeah, nothing special. Yeah, nothing special. Yeah. First time, blue car. Leo got the red car. Yes, sir. There we go. Oh, we're feeling good in this thing, huh? Ooh, they got my water ready for me. Check it out, y'all. Ocean view.
We made it to the room.
Come on, bro. Go.
Our room number is.
Sorry, go ahead. All right, stop, bro.
Our room number is 2368. Yeah, it's our room number.
Tell them our room number.
Why?
You might come hop on a boat and spike Spider-Man something. I don't know.
They're not gonna know until afterwards, like.
Let's go, y'all. Oh yeah, you're right now. Like I'm thinking we live. I'm used to being live. You hear me? Live with the mic. But let's go, y'all. We at
2368 on the Carnival, valor. It's an ocean view room. It's a nice room. It's kind of tight, a little small. Jay couldn't find the plug, y'all. And it was literally right behind the water.
Yeah, that's crazy. Here you go. Check this out. We got the one little plug, as y'all see. But boom. We got everything, get ready to charge. You know, we're gonna be transferring that footage over, you know, getting it ready to be processed, baby.
I got the drinks, y'all.
Got the drinks, y'all.
We brought out wine.
So you can bring this on the boat. I'm just in this package. And they brought out Sprite. This what they mean when they say you have to pay for water. They got at every station, they got lemonade, tea, and they also got ice and water. So y'all gotta pay for it.
It's good to bring your own cup because the other cups are small. So it's good to bring your own cup. Jay got his little. Yeah, I got him as a gift. You know, I think he was more excited about this cup than he was the trip. Like, what y'all? Yeah, you serious?
That's not true.
Seriously?
That's not true.
It's like he was like, what?
That's not true though. Yeah, bring your cup in so you could come to your room. And you could drink up, you know? You ain't gotta be sitting out there keep refilling on your water. Especially if you come with a Yeti like this, because it's gonna stay cold for the rest of the day. We're gonna see y'all later. We about to go, what we about to go do?
Party!
Going to the, what's that, sail away party? Yeah, got the. You see them patches right there? Y'all ain't feeling that. You know, on the floor, we about to make it happen, baby. Let's go!
I think he'd have lost his mind. And he had no drinks yet. He'd have lost it, y'all. Let's just go to dance, y'all.
We gotta go swimming, baby. We going swimming, baby. We going swimming, baby. We going swimming. We came down to deck 5 to the casino. Got them 5 stacks in there, but it ain't easy. If it jurists though. Okay, y'all, we had a little rain on the deck, but guess what? That ain't stopping the party, believe it. So once it stopped drizzling, we took a little walk around the deck.
We're out here in the rain. We're doing this for y'all. To give y'all a tour of the ship.
Yeah, y'all see Lil try to jack me out my head. Y'all. Warm, Lil? Oh, this is the cups you can use. Man, bro, somebody help me, please. Help me, please.
That's why I can't swim.
So you can't breathe out your mouth, bro? Something wrong.
Like, how can you close your mouth?
Because I can do that. All right, y'all. Lil got me right, baby. We going swimming. I can't breathe. But I'm going diving. Okay, we decided to head on to the nightclub. On the way back to the room, they had a guy just staggering, not knowing where his room was. I think he had a little too much to drink. But thank y'all for watching. Peace out. We'll see y'all in the next video.